In this video, I will show you how to sell digital products in Wix. In order to do that, head over right here to your catalog and onto your store products, click on the products option right around here. Now, once you have done that, it should be able to show you in here every product that you have created in the past and if you have any. So for this one, let's head over and click on this new product option and click on this digital file in order to make this a digital product. So from in there, it should show you the actual form that you need to fill up in order to sell your product right here. So let's put in here and rename it. So I'll put in here my butterfly artwork, and then it will ask what type of digital product you want to sell. For this one, I'll head over and upload in here a file. It can be an image, audio file, document, or zip file. For this one, I'll head over and put in here an image, and then click on this upload media because you can actually get it from your computer, Wix, Google Drive, and a lot more. So for this one, I'll head over and then get in here on my computer. Here it is right here and open it. Now this will upload this to my site, and once it's been uploaded, you can select it in order to be added right there. As you can see right now, it's been added. You can put in here your basic info for this particular design. You can also generate the text for the description that you can use for this one. So you can use this text generated by AI for the description. And in here, you can also create coupon, add some more images, and you can also put in here the pricing. So for example, let's price it around 5,000, and then the cost of goods will be 0. And then you can also track the inventory if you want. For example, we have 2 copies of that. Let's put it right around here. And then once you're done with this one, head over and click on the save right here in order to add this for and sell this as a digital product.